Since the day this gate was built, he said it's been nothing but trouble. We did not build it, another fence company built it. And they hung a set of double gates and they never fit correctly. They were always rubbing against each other. And he said from day one, he's been repairing it. They used rivets. We had a customer who saw one of our videos on repairing gates, and he came by the store on Saturday and dropped off this monstrosity of a gate. It's a horrible gate job, actually.
Horrible, actually.
Nothing good about the gate. And finally, it got caught in the wind the other day and fell completely apart. We're gonna replace this post right here. We're gonna build it on our CMM routing machine. We're gonna take this gate apart. We're gonna trim it about 3/4 of an inch also, because he gave us the measurement for his opening for the double gate. The gates were never correct. They were always 3/4 of an inch too wide for the opening. We're just taking off the hinges right now, and the customer wanted us to reinstall the hinges here in the shop for him. I told him it's not a good idea because it should be lined up with the other gate and installed on the job site, because there's not much room for error. If we're even off like 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 an inch, 1/8 of an inch, the latch is not going to line up. So we're just going to put them in this box and give them back to him. And we'll make the new side post. Your first hole is a 2 by 3.5, and it's going to be 1.5 inches down. And then you got a 1.5 by 5.5. That is going to be 14 1/4. And your last one is going to be 64 3/4. We just cut the 3 holes with our CNC machine. We matched up the style that he has over here. So once we get this post off, which is going to be a little bit challenging, we're going to replace it with this post. Let's get all the garbage off of this fence first and see how much damage he did to it. All right, that was easier than I thought it would be because it was a piece of garbage. We're gonna take this last board off. We're gonna trim it down. We're gonna trim the lattice a little bit. Right now, I'm gonna try to drill these rivets out. We tried doing it for this one over here. It didn't work so well, but we're gonna give it one more shot, see if we can do it. All right, we did. It worked.
It worked. I learned something new.
Got that side channel. Let's cut this thing off. Yay! We could just bang those in. Okay, and the other side, we're cutting off the old gate insert. All right, excellent job. Now what we're gonna do is just cut the cross brace and so that it fits the new gate. This we're going to do with a jigsaw. As careful as we were trying to be, this was already broken and it just broke a little bit more. So we don't want to put it back together with the broken brace. So what we're going to do is we're going to spend the extra time, rip this thing off, and put a new brace on. Most companies wouldn't care. We care. So we're going to do it. What happened here? That's not the right size hole. It's a 2x6.
1.5 by 4.5.
Oh, okay. This is a learning moment for everybody. Normally, when we make a gate, we use a 2x3.5 up here, and then if we use a 1.5, 5.5 here, we would use a 1.5, 5.5 also on the bottom. I measured the middle rail here, and I did not measure the bottom because I just assumed that every fence company would match this rail and this rail, but they didn't. They used a 2x6 down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix it. We're going to just widen that hole a little bit and it'll be fine. I should have measured it, but I did not because I didn't think this company would do that. To my adoring public, you've come to trust me and to think I'm infallible. But even the best of us make mistakes. My mistake was waking up and coming to work this morning, but I'm here, so let's fix this. That's better. Oh, okay. Now we're gonna have to take that rivet out. There we go.
The other one too, no? Should we get it out? Or?
Yeah, we'll get it now.
I got a horseshoe. Depends. We need it.
All right. 52 inches, what the customer wanted. All right, let's put the new gate inserts in. As you can see with this gate, it was a real pain in the neck to take it apart because they used rivets. They haven't used rivets in years. They're terrible. You can't take the gate apart if you have to. Listen, even with the best built gate, things happen. People break them. The wind catches them. They snap off the hinge. It's plastic. Anything could happen to a gate. At least when we build the gate, okay, it stays together until you want to take it apart. But if you have to take it apart, it's very simple to take apart. Our inserts are probably the best inserts on the market. You can buy them at Natural Beauty Fence. Just call Alex, let him know how many you need, and we could ship them nationwide. But this insert is good for a 2-inch wide rail and also an 1 5/8. If you see, inch and a half, 2 inches. So what I do is I take the 2-inch side right now, and I'm going to put it right in here, like so. Jose is going to screw it in. We're using self-capping stainless steel. Everything we use on the gate is stainless so that it does not rust and you won't have rust dripping. Like if you look at this gate, there's a lot of rust on it. They used terrible screws. It's terrible. Line that up nice. I did tell the customer that things might break on the gate when he dropped it off, and this is one of the things that broke, but we're just going to change it for him. We're not going to charge him any extra. We're just going to do it because, you know, that's how we are. cap plugs. We're going to take this outside now. We're going to wash it all up and clean it. Now you'll see there's a little bit of a color difference because this is brand new beige. This is really old beige. But give it about 15, 20, 30 years, it'll all blend together. So it's going to look great. We'll call the customer up and let him come pick up the new gate.
I saw your video on YouTube and it was excellent. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
If you need a gate repaired, come to Natural Beauty Fence, 3490 Sunrise Highway. If you're nowhere near the store and you're out of the state, out of the country, maybe a different planet, possibly, just give us a call. Alex will ship it anywhere, I tell you. If you need any parts for a gate, our gate inserts, these little cap plugs, the screws, the caps, we could ship it to you, or you could come to the store and buy it. And even though we demonstrated on a really terrible gate, if you want to know how to build a gate from scratch, doing it the right way, not this way, the right way, look on our, right here. Where are they going to be?
They're going to be on both sides.
They're going to be, to build a lattice top gate, I want you to look at this link.
To build a regular solid gate, look at this.
No, but you don't want you want a lattice gate. Look at my link.
If they need a
No,
solid,
they want to look at my link.
but you need a solid, look at this one.
You're always pushing that solid. And subscribe to our channel. It's going to blow your mind. It's like the greatest channel ever. All you need to do is push the button. Where's the button? It's right here.